See? I told you! I've got this! I also got myself, but you can untie me after you go grab that treasure!
Help me! I'm stuck in the bushes, and I feel like the more I move, the more I get stuck.
Oh dear. Okay, evil cat, show yourself. Take a look at this.
Amazing! So much aluminum! Number 13 on the periodic table. Oh my gosh, he knows my name! Frantic, what are you doing? Well, try and catch me, losers. Ah, ha, 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 ha.
Well, go ahead and pick your character. I'm, of course, Elflina, the beautiful and enchanting elf warrior.
Are you evil, cat?